Welcome to the deep dive. Today, our sources are pulling us into the pretty high-pressure world of live broadcast and event production.
Yeah, specifically focusing on a piece of gear that's kind of an unsung hero.
Totally. We're talking about crew communication and the Datavideo ITC-300SL digital intercom belt pack. This is the crucial, the mobile link that connects a camera operator back to the control room.
What's fascinating here is that we're not looking at some general-purpose pizza kit. This is highly specialized.
Right.
Right off the bat, you have to know this ITC-300SL belt pack. It's designed to function only with the Datavideo ITC-300 intercom system. It's basically the mobile extension of a fixed command unit.
Okay, so let's maybe peel back the layers on the physical design first, because mobility is, well, it's nothing without comfort.
Sure.
This thing is incredibly lightweight, just over 8 ounces, and it comes with these really useful hook and loop straps for fastening it on. That lightness, that's not just a spec, is it? It feels like a very deliberate choice against crew fatigue.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, think about a 12-hour shoot. Every single ounce counts.
Yeah.
But more importantly, the design is just so practical. The talk and call buttons are large, they're prominent, located right on top so you can find and hit them instantly in the low light chaos of a concert or a dim set.
And this is where the visual workflow comes in, and this is so critical. The tally connection. The included TD3 tally light plugs right into a dedicated 3.5 millimeter jack. Why do we need red, green, and yellow indicators on a comms pack?
It's all about immediate visual confirmation.
Yeah.
It completely bypasses a noisy environment. So red is live. Your camera's on air.
Got it.
Green is often for preview, meaning the director's about to punch up your shot. And that yellow tally, that's usually a warning or some kind of cue status. But crucially, the light itself also shows incoming and outgoing call indicators.
Oh.
So a director can visually cue a silent operator, even if they pulled their headset off for a second.
That mix of audio cueing and visual warning is it's so powerful. But how do you power this thing when the operator might be like 100 meters away?
Right.
We have 3 key connections here. The 3.5 millimeter jack for the headset, the tally jack, and then this RJ45 power input.
That RJ45 input is the whole answer. This unit runs on power over Ethernet, or PoE.
Okay.
Which just means you run a single standard Ethernet cable, which they include, by the way. And that one cable handles both the power, which is 11 to 36 volts, and the high-quality digital audio signal.
That PoE system allows for an incredible operating range, doesn't it? Up to 328 feet or 100 meters from the base station.
A huge range.
And I see they even include connector shields for the Ethernet cable. I can only imagine losing comms mid-shoot because of a damaged cable would be just catastrophic.
It would stop the whole production. And as you mentioned that range, this brings up a crucial point. What's the quality of the signal that far away?
Good question.
This is where we stop talking about cables and start talking about pro audio specs. The frequency response is incredibly tight, 300 hertz to 7 kilohertz.
So it's tuned specifically for speech clarity, not for broadcast music, but why those specific numbers?
Because that tight range is strategic. It cuts out all the non-essential frequencies. It gets rid of the low-end rumble from an air conditioner, for example, or the high-end hiss you might get. You are focusing purely on the human voice.
Ensuring immediate clarity.
Exactly. Immediate clarity in really noisy situations.
That makes perfect sense. And the other technical specs, they really back that up.
Precisely. The total harmonic distortion, or THD, which measures signal purity, is exceptionally low. It's less than 0.1%. And the signal-to-noise ratio is excellent, greater than 70 dB. These numbers just confirm that the gear minimizes interference. It's exactly what you need in a high-stakes setting.
And we should probably note this is a $329 unit, and it's TAA compliant.
Yeah, that's a crucial logistical detail for anyone dealing with U.S. government contracts.
So when you put it all together, what does this all mean? The ITC-300SL isn't just some basic belt pack. It's a fully integrated professional solution.
Right.
It delivers crystal clear audio, reliable remote power through PoE, and that essential visual cueing with the tally system, all in one, tough, mobile package.
It really connects 8 different people in 8 different roles, all working towards the same goal. Which just kind of leads us to a final thought for you to mull over.
Okay.
Since this belt pack is the mobile piece of the puzzle, and the whole ITC-300 system is designed to manage up to 8 of these users, what kind of highly specialized multi-channel capabilities must that larger base unit have to simultaneously control all the audio mixing, the power delivery, and the independent tally signals for every single person on set?
Just think about the complexity of the brains needed to manage all those moving parts.